Dear sir, now I want to introduce our QQ body mold shop sample to you. Now let me show you. This is our mold shop sample testing from our mold. You can see it, the slider surface and the slider inner position. There are not any burrs. That means our technician has already polished the mold very well. Now we have taken out 2 pieces of the raw slider sample on the customer's zippers, and this one is the raw sample, and this 2 is our testing sample after assembling the pullets. Now we want to test for you. You can see it. The raw slider is pulling very smoothly on customer, and now we want to test the plating one. It's also, you can hear the sound. It's also running very smoothly on the zippers. Now we want to test this one. This one is also customer zippers. You can see it. Both the raw sliders and the plating sliders are running very well on our zippers. Thank you.